Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I have brought to you a brand new tool which is known as Robinize. So this will help you drive more traffic, optimize smarter, and write faster. You can enter a phrase you want to rank in Google, and you can get exact information about terms and topics you need to cover to drive organic traffic. So you just have to put in the keyword for which you want to rank better in Google, and it will tell you exactly based on a lot of data that what you need to do in your article, what has to be included to rank it on the top. So this is how it works. So real-time content evaluation. So let me show you directly from the tool. So now I'm saying I want to rank for innovation innovation competitions in United States. So I'm going to say I'm going to generate a report. So it is generating the report, and now it's going to tell me what all things I need to include in my article to rank higher for innovation competitions. So it's analyzing the competitors' content based on the content that is already existing for this keyword and which is ranked in Google. So from that, it's going to tell you that based on Google's algorithm, what you have to do in your article to rank it even better than the existing websites. So it's just compiling the report for innovation competitions. I think this is a great tool. So now let me open it and see my report. So these are the various results that I see. So this one shows me the word count, the content score. So now in the terms, it's going to tell me how and what to include. So these are the terms it says. So let me try to access PhD teams. If I include these things, open innovation, open competition, renewable energy, all those things, you are going to rank better. So let me click on articles. So Global Innovation Management Institute. So these are some of the content which is already existing, where they have those innovation competitions and all put, which is currently ranking good in Google innovation competitions. I'll look for it. See, Jim Institute is coming up in the top resource. So it can even look at your content and optimize it. So let me look at what other things does it say. So when it says show more, it shows me all those pages. So this is the rank it has. So if I include these things, somehow it says it will help me rank better. So now I can check how these content can be improved by muting these terms. So let me try to mute these terms. So if you come here and mute, yeah, so now I have muted all these terms. Ideally I should be including all those things. Now when I click on it, I can see that. One second. So let me go and see. So if I include all these keywords, it is saying that my results are going to go up. So when you come to this page, on a real-time basis, you can evaluate your article for the presence of these keywords. So you can see this is the highest. It can be sorted based on the importance. So it says the occurrence. So this term has to be seen in this tag, H1 tag. And here, if you come here, it has to be seen in this again in H1. So innovation approaches. So you can sort this out based on the importance. So now it says it has to be seen in H1 tag. So now the content is graded. So now if I say innovation comedy is the next big thing in the market, it has a lot of opportunities for growth. Based on that, it will select artificial is a amazing field to invest. So now based on that, this should change actually. Let's see artificial, I think I'm not put the correct spelling. Yeah, so now you see this is got selected. So it has an importance of 7 to 10, and it will tell you if it has to be in the headers. So based on that, if you write this entire content, it says that it will rank better for that particular keyword. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.